All right, good evening. Very warm welcome, traders. I'm Devang Mehra from The Financial Analyst, and I welcome you to our YouTube channel. Like always, we are here for the post-market analysis, and I've had a wonderful day. I made about 40,000. I'll come to that. What trades I took, I'll give you everything with logic. So make sure you watch this video till the end because, as always, every single day, I will teach you one new concept in the market which has been practiced. And yesterday we discussed about all of this. Today, I'll show you how it was implemented. So make sure you watch it till the end. And guys, we are almost one subscriber away from a 5,000 family on YouTube. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment on this video if you like our analysis every single day. So let's get started, guys. Okay, first of all, let me show you what I said on Nifty yesterday because that's what's important. And this is exactly what I said on Nifty. Listen to it.
Most of the time above 13,900. That means that they were okay. That was an amazing level to protect. Tomorrow, let's assume you open flat and you spend about 1 hour above 14,000. This means that the markets don't want to come down and we will see an expiry above 14,000. Number two.
What did I say? See, this is the important points that I say and people don't hear. Also, don't you all remember Himalay, me, entire team has been telling you not to trade today? And I've told you guys for the last 4 5 days that monthly expiries are volatile. And if you are new, and even on the community channel, we have posted this that if you're amateur, observe the market. It's not the day for you to trade. If you are in the market for a long time, trade but in low quantity. Everything was discussed yesterday, and we have been saying this for the last 4 5 days that after Christmas, every day will be a sideways day. So these are some things that we keep on saying, but people, what happens is we come to the market, we are greedy, we want to make money, but that's not how markets work. And yet yesterday, we said the same exact thing. I told you all very clearly that when will I be a buyer? Will I buy immediately after above 14,000? Will I buy immediately when the markets break that? I told you. This is the proof of the video. I said, no, you will buy only if the markets are sustaining above 14,000 for 1 hour. I told you that there are two concepts. One is that if your price touches, you take a trade, or you are taking a time approach. If you are spending so much time, then you are bullish. But did you spend 1 hour there, or did you even spend 30 minutes above 14,000? You did. So I could not have gone long in the market. That's exactly what I explained in this video. So that is why I say, guys, watch our videos. It's about 20 minutes, but we will share something new. It will help you protect your capital and make the profits that we guys are also making. Look what I had to say in this video.
Even yesterday that markets in the very first hour, they tell you what they want to do. So you could see today in the first hour, they were staying in this range. They made the range, stayed in the range. So meant it will never break the range. So tomorrow, let's say they are staying in the first 1-2 hours above 14,000. I would say this means that they want to go over 14 and they want to close over 14.
Did we close? Did we stay 1 hour above 14,000?
So accordingly, you can plan the trade. What if?
Perfect. Now this is exactly what I had said. That markets will tell you the very first hour what they want to do. And I've been saying this, that guys, it's important where you are opening, because if you are going to give a trend, this is something learned from me today. If markets want to give you a trending day, they will tell you very first hour that I want to give a trending day. For example, on this day, on yesterday, 29th December, markets opened near that region. They could have easily broke that. They didn't break that, but they stayed in this range. Even today, the same thing happened. The markets opened at 975. To break that 14,000 barrier, all they had to do was just go above. But they gave you 4 to 5 indecision candles. So you can see very clearly that the entire first hour till 10:15, there was no conviction in the market. It was just whiplashing. That is why I say don't jump into the trade. Observe what the markets are doing. If you get a clear signal, take a trade. I told you, call clearly. Don't take a trade on a 15-minute candle closing. If you are risky, do that. But I told you, as I see in the video, please 1 hour sustain above that is important, because monthly expiry will chop you out. These are some important points that we made, and a lot of our important updates are coming on the YouTube community page. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you can be available when we post that update, because it's not possible for us to come every day live whenever a particular update comes. But I'll show you what all we have done in the community and what all did we plan tomorrow. But make sure you don't make these mistakes again. If you made it today, good, but don't make it again. That's the important thing. So I hope you are liking the analysis that we're doing. And as always, I'm very obliged that the markets are respecting what we are saying. That's exactly what we want. And I'm happy our viewers are making money. All the screenshots are available on our Instagram story for you to have a look. I'll show you what I did and I'll show you what the community has done today. So first of all, our positional trades are going strong. The TFA community, you can see Mr. Rahul Shah, we have given great trades. Mindtree, 1600 from, and we've got 60, 70 points there. Again, wonderful profits in Adani Enterprises as well as Coforge, Cholamandalam. All the trades have been triggered, and we are very satisfied with the updates, the positional trades that our community has been giving. This is a complete list of the positional trades that we have taken, and all of them have hit a good target. And currently, we have not hit any stop loss in positional trades. So that's a thumbs up, and we take it as a win for our TFA community. And I hope our family is earning money. So like this video if you are, and do comment if you're enjoying the journey with us. Now let me show you what I said today in the market when I came live. Before that, we told you all that Z was one trade I gave to the community. It was given by Rahul Chari in positional basis, but today was a good intraday momentum that we were expecting, and we got a wonderful trade above 220. I also sent the charts. And what was the logic? I'll explain everything very carefully. Let's open the charts of Z Entertainment and I'll explain why we took this trade. So if you look at the 15-minute charts, we were getting a clean head and shoulders pattern, inverted head and shoulders pattern. And this was the time I said, if markets for Z are sustaining above 220, you have to take this trade. And that's exactly when we took this trade, and we got great momentum. From 220, we clocked in profits till 226. And this was the time when I told the community that you need to exit and book your profits. So I hope the community has made good money in Z. Understand one thing, which I will explain you in the Nifty trade also. Let me open the voice note that I had sent the community, because that is something which is important. And let me show the screenshot for, because why did I take the Z trade? That's a lot of people ask me. Is it because of price action? There's another important tool involved. So I want to discuss that tool with you. It's called ATR, average true range. So let me open that screenshot for Nifty also. Yeah. And I said that it's going to blast, and we made good money, which is good. Right. So let me show you the Nifty screenshot. That so today this is my today's trades. I made about 39,150. I also did a Nifty short, which all I'll come to later. But I did have a good day today. So I'm being consistent. That's what matters, and that's what I tell people. Don't go for that one big mile that I want to earn 1 lakh every day, 2 lakh every day. Go for small profits, because if you've been seeing my videos every single day, you know that I've been talking 20, 30K every single day. And these things matter. These are the things that matter. And this is what will take you to be a good trader. So be consistent. And I'll tell you why I took these trades even on the expiry day. And hope that you all learn from me. And then we'll talk about what can we expect in the markets tomorrow. So one trade that I took was on Z. I have already explained the logic to you. And also I took a trade on Nifty. I bought a call option when Nifty bounced low towards the lows. I'll explain that to you in a bit. But these 2-3 trades, the put options, I was holding as BTST. So I've been very profitable in BTST for the last 7-8 days now. All right, let me show you the Nifty screenshot that I have been talking to you about. And this was the time when Nifty broke 14,000. And this is where the community comes in handy. Let me just, I hope you all can hear this, the voice note that I've sent in the morning to our community. So I asked the community, can you all tell me what is the ATR of Nifty right now? It's the average true range. Basically, ATR means how much on an average is Nifty moving. So our community had said that it's about 23 at 1047. And I sent this voice note. I want you all to listen to this voice note, because this was a very big turning point for the community. Why do I say that? Because if you see, Nifty at around 1045 had broken this level, this immediate 14,000 barrier. So a couple of people in the community went long, and I sent this voice note. Please listen to it.
Because simple सा view है. So if you get a candle of Nifty more than, let's take a round number, 25 points, तब आप लोग buy कर सकते हो. If you want to be, try something out. अगर आपको लग रहा है. So again, मैं नहीं करने वाला, but I'm just giving you a technical view. If you think कि market bullish हो गया, 14,000 के ऊपर चला गया, buy अगर करना है, तो minimum 25 points का candle close होएगा, तो फिर buy कर लेना. Then all the sellers सबके stop loss trigger हो जाएंगे.
अगर नहीं होता ये 25 पॉइंट्स का कैंडल नहीं बनता, मतलब 14,025, 14,030 और नंबर्स, अगर इसके ऊपर कैंडल क्लोजिंग नहीं करता, then SL will be intact of all the sellers.
Now this is very important. I told everyone, देखो ATR मतलब है कि 23 points ऊपर, 25 points ऊपर SL sellers के intact है, they are still strong. And if the markets are closing above that, then only buying will come. And इस time में देखो, this is the ATR tool. At this point of time, 23 was the ATR, around 23, 24. And markets never gave that big a momentum. So because markets were not able to close that ATR, हम लोग बाइंग साइड पे नहीं जा सकते थे, एंड एग्जैक्टली दैट ओनली हैपेंड. अगला कैंडल ही मार्केट में फॉल्स ब्रेकआउट दे गया. This is what I'm telling you. These are small points that will make a difference in your trading. I again send this a very important message.
देखो सिंपल सा व्यू है, तो अगर
this is already discussed. I'll show you what happened after that.
अभी लॉन्ग नहीं बनेगा गाइस, प्लीज आप यार समझ के खेलो, लॉन्ग नहीं बनता. आई हैव टोल्ड यू दिस वेरी सीक्रेट कॉन्सेप्ट. ATR तेरा 23 पे चल रहा है, 14,025 या 30 के ऊपर ही निफ्टी में लॉन्ग है, अदरवाइज SL लगेंगे सबके. ध्यान से खेलो, मंथली एक्सपायरी.
So we alerted you so many times that please guys, ATR is not supporting your trade. Don't do that. So whoever has traded, we have protected our losses, and hats off to the community. We are proactive in such cases. Same was the case for Z Limited also. Now I will show you the same concept but in Z. Because Z mein what happened when this breakout happened on Z, when I said 220 ke upar buy karo, see what happened. ATR at that time was how much? It was about 1.4. So is the candle more than 1.4 points? You can see from 219 to 221, it is about 2 rupees. So it is much more than your ATR, meaning this breakout will not be false. So we used one concept, saved our day, and took a profitable trade, and we are successful. I hope you understood what have we done. Not very difficult, but we have easily just saved our day. Himalaya also came on YouTube. He gave you a message to short man Nifty, ek range diya tha. That also worked out pretty well. Some people did make money on that. So we are happy for all of you who have performed today. And so this is what he had said. So we are coming on, and I messaged on YouTube also that Nifty ATR is 23. Only long opportunity above 14,025. Otherwise, protect your capital. So these are small points. We are coming on YouTube. Himalaya also gave this Bank Nifty trade that it is stuck in that range. Let it break, and it broke on the downside and trade aa gaya tha. So yes, small points hai which will make you a good trader. That's why I say watch my videos. You learn something new and you can be consistent. So for next time, you have to understand now that how monthly expiries play. They are volatile. That's why I said please trade mat karna if you are new. And I hope that has made sense to you guys. So hats off. If you have liked our analysis, please mention it in the comment section, like our video, and share and subscribe to our channel. So now let's talk about what we can expect for the markets tomorrow. Today was Thursday, so markets had to move in a range. They had to decay premiums. If you have a look at the charts of Nifty, now markets are moving in a consolidated range for quite some time. Right, you can see here consolidation, here also consolidation, even here consolidation, even here consolidation. So for the last 4 days, option sellers, they have made good money in the market. Obviously, as I always tell you guys, it's about balance. If option sellers are earning a lot of times, it will increase the probability of the option buyers, meaning trending market, to emerge. And I expect some kind of trending market to emerge either on Friday or on Monday. Monday, generally, if trending markets happen, they will happen after a gap up. This is one rule I've seen on Mondays. But Fridays, trending markets generally happen. And also, as you know, Fridays are known for bloodbaths or reversals. That can happen tomorrow. I do expect it. Why am I saying that? Because if you see the daily chart, as I've already told you this, it took so much time to cross 12,000. I told you all this. It took so much time to cross 13,000. ये भी आपको बताया था. That's why I said 14,000 के ऊपर I'm not seeing it right now. I told you that expiry will not happen above 14,000. People were very bullish. Buy 14,200 आएगा, ये आएगा. I told you clearly 14,000 cannot be broken. I explained this logic also. And I tell you very simple. Guys, it's not about data. It's not about all of this. It's about history repeating itself. Because it does. Because people who are not aware of the market, they don't study data. They see what has happened in the past and they will follow that same trend. And 2 days consecutively now, again, an indecision candle or a doji has been formed. This is a signal that the trend is weakening. That's obvious. If you look at the Bank Nifty daily chart, obviously that is also weak. Bank Nifty is now again a little bit weaker. Again, trend is weakening. So Bank Nifty is a very good shot below 31,000. I've already told you that. So if you get an opportunity, that's a very good shot. Just preparing you. So what can you do for tomorrow? So tomorrow the range for Nifty has been defined. Let me just go to investing.com to find out what are the volumes on Nifty today. If there are good abnormal volumes, probably we can plan a trade better for tomorrow. So generally, they are following a weighted average kind of a system, so we can get some good volume, idea on Nifty and Bank Nifty, which I'm looking at investing.com. Okay, so investing.com, what is the volume? Again, it is low. This is because of low participation due to the holiday season. Fine, no big deal. Let me just look at Bank Nifty also if some kind of abnormality is there. Otherwise, we can proceed with our analysis. Nifty Bank. Okay, Nifty Bank is increasing. Yeah. You can see today the volumes on Nifty Bank, they are quite good. They are almost at your 20-day average. So Nifty Bank is seeing some selling pressure. Now see, if you see the charts of Nifty, a range has been defined. And this range is very simple. That is what you have to follow tomorrow. The range extends from 13,960 and 14,020. Let's be liberal about it. 14,020 and 13,960. So your play tomorrow is very simple. As long as this support is now maintained, your trend is not getting bent. But if this support is broken tomorrow, the trend will get bent, and we can even see 880 levels to come, because your next supports can come somewhere over here 880 or 860. Then these targets can also come, because tomorrow is Friday. I will not be surprised if I get a 100-point fall, but that only means that if this support is broken. I don't say it's short right now. Personally, our community, a lot of us have taken a shot on Nifty. We have taken 14,000 puts for 7th Jan expiry, but that's a BTST trade, meaning tomorrow if I get a gap down, I will exit. I will not be greedy. That's how I keep consistency. I keep my discipline. So tomorrow, whoever is coming into the markets, first of all, it's New Year's. I don't expect a lot of you to wake up tomorrow, because a lot of you will be partying tonight. But let's say this level is broken tomorrow, right? And again, it's very important where you open. If markets want to break this level, if you think about one very interesting point, for the last 5-6 days, markets were closing towards the highs. This is something very important. Every single day, markets were closing towards the highs. Today is the first day markets have gone off the highs and closed near the lows. The closing is 981. That's the average last 15-minute closing. But they have closed near the lows. So tomorrow is one day that markets can fall. Even currently, the UK and German markets and even America is under some pressure because of some news. I'll have a look at that. But if the markets want to fall tomorrow, I'll again tell you very simply, follow my rules. You will be successful. If the markets want to fall tomorrow, they will open here. They will open flat to negative 10, 20 point up or down, because then they can easily break this range and go down. Again, remember my point, if the markets want to go down tomorrow, they will do that in the first 1 hour. They will not wait like today. They will not keep on whiplashing. Why I bought a call option today in Nifty, if you all remember, I bought some calls in Nifty. The reason was because markets were not breaking the range, and I knew if markets came here, buy the market. If it comes here, buy the market. That's why I bought some calls of Nifty. So tomorrow, if in the first 1 hour, half an hour, markets are opening flat and breaking, you can go short in the market with targets of 880. This can come, but this then will become support of your, you should book your profits here. What if for some reason markets open gap down? If the markets open maybe gap down somewhere over here near 13,930, 920, then they can break this zone. Otherwise, I will not go with breaking of this zone. Understanding, if markets open here, then I will book my profits there if the markets are falling, because I want to give you both the views. If the markets are opening gap down and they are consolidating here and then they start to fall, then they can break the zone, because it will be easy to break the zone then. That's one point you have to keep in your mind. So where it opens is important. At the same time, if markets are opening, let's say flat or gap up, and they are, forming a doji like they did today. Markets open, they gave you a hammer or a doji kind of candle, and they keep on doing like. So that would again mean that markets even tomorrow want to stay in range, and this range will be maintained. So your formula will be simple tomorrow: buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. So market will tell you in the first 15-minute candle only what they want to do. At the same time, if you see markets are opening towards the highs, some small gap up is coming and you are closing above these levels, sustaining here, then be a buyer in the market. I'll give you my permission. Then be a buyer in the market. That is about Nifty. Talking about Bank Nifty, even for Bank Nifty, a range has been made. It's a very simple. Bank Nifty is stuck in this range, 31,350. This is one range, 31,355 or 370. You can use these odd numbers. At the same time, on the bottom is this range. You can see some small support is coming here. So this support can be broken provided that you are opening 10, 20 points flat or you are opening in this range. If you do that, it can easily be broken. So obviously, first target will be 31,000 and second target 30,900. Accordingly, you book your profits. At the same time, if you are opening on the highs and breaking the in the first 1 hour and sustaining higher, then targets will be on the bullish side of 31,500. So these are some small fine points that will make a difference. Do remember them. If you like our analysis, hit the like button again, guys. I will see you tomorrow if there's any important updates. I will not be coming tonight. It's New Year's, so I expect everyone to enjoy. I'll be taking my day off today. I hope I've helped you out. And make sure we hit 5,000 subscribers today. That would mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for your support throughout 2020, and we will see you in 2021 with a rocking new year and wonderful trade ideas and recommendations. See you all.